Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and sitting with me is Tim McDonough for our yearly series of questions on the Radiant pools. Tim, we've been talking a lot about Radiant pools, and there's so many different things that set it apart from traditional steel wall pools, and something that really sets it apart are the finishing options on the pools and the custom features that are available through Radiant. Can you give me a little bit of overview?
Sure, let me give you a little insight on that. So, I know you're familiar with this, but one of the unique features of the Radiant pool is that we have the availability of having sun decks and custom stairs in the pool that actually can adapt to the pool itself and adapt to your backyard and your consumers' needs, what they have, whether it be with young children, grandparents, and just mom and dad to get in the pool. So another big part of that is that you have the ability to have, the sun decks. You can have a level, flat part of the pool standard, and we can have a deep end too. So, Ken, you're a tall guy.
I am indeed.
You need a pool that you can get a little depth in there. You need maybe 7 feet in there. So, but we have the full ability to do that.
Yep.
So, and going along with that, again, with the finish and the fit and finish of the pool, is we have a lot of different coping options. So we have standard copings that you can put above the ground, but on the sun ledge side, a lot of times you'll have decking or a patio, and for that we have all the custom coping for that, and you can be semi in the ground and have actual mixed coping on the pool. So you can have above ground coping and in ground in the same pool.
That's amazing. Truly a unique pool. Like, Radiant surprises every year. And we've done a lot of these installs this year as well that you've been more than kind enough to assist us with.
Well, thank you.
Well, Tim, thank you again, and thanks for watching.